and cinnamon, a proven natural cure for many diseases, evidence-based. Honey and cinnamon are two amazing natural substances. Natural honey which hasn't been heated is an excellent raw ingredient for your health. Cinnamon is one of my favorite spices and it's full of medicinal properties that can contribute a lot to your health. Here are some of the health benefits of honey and cinnamon. Health benefits of honey and cinnamon. 1. Cinnamon and honey as a natural diabetes treatment. Cinnamon is one of the top foods and spices that can control type 2 diabetes. Since most of us have cinnamon and honey readily available in the kitchen cupboard, the potential to protect our families from diabetes could be life-changing. Even though honey is high in carbohydrates, it has a moderate glycemic index and is healthier for diabetics than sugar. A study of the benefits for diabetic patients drinking honey water found that, when compared with dextrose or sucrose, honey was a healthier alternative. In diabetics, honey caused a lower increase in plasma glucose levels. Another study has shown that consuming raw honey can have a beneficial effect on the blood lipids of diabetics. In an 8-week randomized clinical trial, diabetics who consume honey had lower cholesterol levels and reduced body weight. Honey also helps to control a number of the factors that have been linked to type 2 diabetes, including insulin resistance and blood sugar levels. It can help to regulate blood sugar levels, which is a crucial factor in controlling diabetes or preventing it, and is more tolerable than most common sugars or sweeteners according to the International Journal of Biological Sciences. However, doctors from the Mayo Clinic say that honey can still affect your blood sugar level, but as honey is sweeter than sugar, you can use less of it. It is still important to count total carbohydrate consumption. So for people whose diabetes is under control, consuming honey in small amounts should not cause blood glucose to spike dramatically, but remember that moderation is a key, as part of a healthy and balanced diet. Cinnamon is also excellent for preventing and treating diabetes. According to the Mayo Clinic, 500 mg of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon, twice a day improves an individual's ability to regulate blood sugar levels. The Journal of Diabetes Research confirmed that cinnamon tea helped to regulate blood sugar levels after meals. A cup of warm water with a teaspoon of raw honey and a teaspoon of cinnamon will allow you to take advantage of some of the health benefits of cinnamon and honey. Don't add honey to boiling water to avoid nutrient loss. 2. Cinnamon and honey for allergies. Dust mites are one of the greatest sources of allergies in your home, and getting rid of these annoying little critters often includes chemicals that are sometimes more dangerous than the critters themselves. Dust mites have been found to be responsible for dermatitis, asthma, rhinitis, and they have even been found to be responsible for some sudden infant death syndrome cases. You can use cinnamon to get rid of dust mites. In a study published by the World Academy of Science, cinnamon was found to be effective at killing dust mites. Cinnamon bark oil and cinnamon leaf oil were 2.5 times more effective at killing dust mites than benzyl benzoate, chemical used to treat lice and scabies infestations, and cinnamon oil is far less toxic than most of the other chemicals used for dust mites. Cinnamon bark oil has many health benefits and you can easily make it at home. A teaspoon of raw honey can help to boost your immune system. Honey and cinnamon can therefore help you fight allergies from the inside and from the outside. DIY recipe for dust mite pesticide spray. It is really easy to make your own dust mite household pesticide spray. All you need is a spray bottle, distilled water, and cinnamon leaf or bark oil. You need about 24 drops of cinnamon oil for 4 ounces, 120 milliliters, of water. Spray your linens, carpets, curtains, and mattresses to kill off the dust mites and leave your home smelling great. 3. Honey and cinnamon as a natural acne treatment. Honey and cinnamon have been used by traditional healers for centuries as a way to treat acne and various other skin conditions. Both cinnamon and honey offer potent antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. The Journal of Complementary and Traditional Medicine reports that cinnamon is very effective at killing Staphylococcus epidermidis, the types of bacteria often responsible for acne. The journal points out that the advantage of cinnamon oil over antibiotics is that cinnamon does not create antibiotic-resistant strains of these bacteria. Cinnamon oil does not come with the side effects associated with many antibiotics. Records of honey used in cosmetics dates back to the earliest civilizations, and records suggest that honey and milk were two of Cleopatra's beauty secrets. According to the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, honey is currently used medicinally to treat burns and wounds, and it is effective for use in treating dandruff and psoriasis. In cosmetic foundations, honey is soothing, helps to prevent wrinkles, and prevents pathogen infections. Acne clearing honey and cinnamon spot treatment. To make your own honey and cinnamon spot treatment, mix 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey with a teaspoon of cinnamon. Apply the treatment to problem areas and then leave the application on for at least 20 minutes or overnight, if possible. 4. Honey and cinnamon for the common cold. As I mentioned above, both honey and cinnamon offer powerful antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Cinnamon and honey also contain an abundance of antioxidants that protect you from free radical damage. Honey is a natural cough suppressant for children and adults. Honey contains other vitamins and minerals that can help to boost the immune system and treat flu. 5. Honey and cinnamon for UTI. The Iran Journal of Medical Sciences published a study that evaluated 28 plant extracts against gram-negative such as E. coli, the main cause of urinary tract infections. Preventing urinary tract infections by taking cinnamon supplements could decrease pain and reduce antibiotic use. You can also combine it with a moderate consumption of manuka honey, which has powerful antibacterial properties. 6. Honey and cinnamon for digestive issues. Honey and cinnamon have always been popular in managing digestive issues such as constipation, nausea, and ulcers. Because honey is pre-digested nectar, it is easy for the body to break it down, which can soothe an aggravated system. Cinnamon has antimicrobial characteristics that can help people with bacterial overload in their digestive system, especially with people suffering from an E. coli infection, as you just read in the study out of Iran. Cinnamon is also one of the edible herbs that are thought to help control H. pylori bacteria, which can cause peptic ulcers. 7. Honey and cinnamon to treat gingivitis. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Researchers from the School of Dentistry, University of Otago, Dunedin, New Zealand discovered that sucking on a manuka honey product not only caused a 35% decrease in plaque, it led to a 35% reduction in bleeding sites in people suffering from gingivitis. You can combine it with the powerful antimicrobial cinnamon, and regular use of the amazing mixture can do wonders to your smile. Honey and cinnamon benefits are proving to be a winning combination. 8. Cinnamon to prevent clogged arteries. According to a study published in the Journal of Diabetes Technology Society 2010, cinnamon oil could reduce harmful triglycerides in the blood by 30% and LDL or bad cholesterol by 27%. The buildup of fatty triglycerides and cholesterol in the blood and arteries is considered to be one of the causes of cardiovascular disease. You can also reduce your risk of developing heart disease by consuming a certain natural ingredient or by consuming my recommended foods for healthy heart. 9. Honey and cinnamon for increased energy. Chinese folk medicine has used cinnamon to promote a healthy flow vital energy for centuries, and because of its insulin-boosting property, cinnamon has been known to give people energy as it stabilizes your blood sugar. Honey is composed of a unique carbohydrate composition of natural sugars and trace amounts of antioxidants, enzymes, minerals, vitamins and amino acids, making it a natural energy-filled afternoon snack. Here are a few ideas on how to use honey to boost energy. Add a teaspoon of honey to 8 ounces of water for a budget-friendly energy drink. You can also add a lemon to enjoy the amazing health benefits of honey lemon water. Mix honey with cream cheese or nut butter for an energy-boosting fruit and vegetable dip. Spread nut butter, honey and sliced bananas on a whole wheat sandwich. Cinnamon, how much to take? There aren't many strict guidelines when it comes to using cinnamon. Some professionals advise that you can get up to 1 teaspoon a day if you are ingesting it in powdered form. The oils and concentrates tend to vary in potency, so you should always read the instructions before using them. Although if taken in a large amount, it can be toxic when used excessively. The only other piece of advice is to avoid cinnamon altogether if you are already on some form of blood-thinning medicine. Which type of cinnamon you should use? There are two major types of cinnamon for culinary use: Ceylon cinnamon and Cassis cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon is native to Sri Lanka, whereas Cassis cinnamon is native to Burma and also grown in China and Vietnam. You are more likely to find Cassis cinnamon in the United States and Canada, which is less expensive. While both Cassis and Ceylon cinnamon are derived from the inner bark of cinnamomum trees, Ceylon cinnamon is preferable.